Hello everyone, I'm Neha Kapoor, health coach at Besugarfit, and today I'm here with a playbook for ordering a diabetic-friendly food from your quick service restaurants. Managing diabetes can be challenging, but that does not mean one should stop indulging in food dinner. I believe socializing occasionally with friends and family is essential for emotional well-being, and to make your life easy and guilt-free, I'm here with a step-by-step guide to eat out. My first advice for you is to play smart. Plan in advance the venue and the menu to be on safer side. All the famous restaurants provide nutritional information on their website. So be smart and check it beforehand. Since most of the dishes are fried and contain high sodium content, blood sugar spikes are quite common. To be on safer sides, it's always important to scan the website and plan in advance. Screen the websites and menu for dishes which contain moderate fat, calories, protein, low salt and sugar. Restrict yourself to 300 to 500 calories meal with 20 grams fat, 15 grams protein and under 1000 mg of sodium. Do not hesitate to ask the server for information about the ingredients and the methods used to prepare the dish. Choose food with the right cooking method using GPRS tool. Well, it's quite simple. Any food prepared with grilled, poached, roasted and steamed preparation. Pick your proteins first, which you get in pulses and legumes, paneer, tofu, grilled fish, skinless chicken, to name the few. Then fill in the vegetables and salad to add on fiber, keeping 1/4 portion for unhealthy and junk to satisfy your cravings. Personalization and portion control is key. Make sure you personalize for yourself, don't copy others. Your needs are different and it's preferable to choose one meal option and share with everyone. Keep sweets, candy and ice creams on a minimum side. They are loaded with simple sugars which give instant spikes, so sugar-free will be a better choice for you. If you like surfing, use the website link to find out the nutritive value of each food. Believe me, it's not difficult. How will you choose the healthy option? So go with the chota serve, small one instead of the oversized one. Choose serves without cheese and mayonnaise, the generous helping of vegetables. Opt for low-calorie dressings like mustard, lemon and vinegar wherever possible. Best preferences are Veggie Delight serve, chatpata chana, corn and peas sandwich, chicken teriyaki, roasted chicken breast, southwest chicken grilled, or you can go with any option which is prepared with the grilled and the roasted method. As per the meal qualifications, let's pick the chatpata chana, which consists of 441 calories, fat content is 9 grams, carbs 77 grams and protein is 14 grams, which meets our meal qualifications pretty well. Chicken teriyaki consists of 423 calories, fat content 4 grams, carbs 65 grams and proteins 32 grams, which is ideal choice. Since the protein and the fats from the chicken is on the higher side, it gives you better satiety value and blunts the spike easily. Now, if you are a McDonald's lover, step 1 is to check out the website, choose the best options keeping key rules in mind. Go for smaller portions without mayonnaise or with little cheese. Top it with extra veggies so that we are on safer side. Choose rye bread. Opt for whole wheat bun instead of the leather bun. If you like to try beverages, extra small unsweetened iced tea, McCafe sugar-free hot tea falls best in this category. Remember, we are eating out to socialize. Right choices won't spoil the fun. How many of you are KFC lovers? Well, KFC offers all crispy fried chicken, which is our biggest health enemies. Refrain from crispy or the fried options, but if you don't have choice or you want to go there, remove the crispy topping and wipe the internal patty. Don't bother what others say or feel. Do whatever is best for you. Go with grilled, chicken wing, chicken nuggets with salad, whole kernel, corn chicken, or we can even try chicken little with salad. Order the original recipe bites from the kids menu. Comparing the nutritional claims, pair them with the house of salad so that we can delay the spike. Well, weekend always shouts for pizza, isn't it? Load your pizza with extra vegetable toppings, black olives, crisp capsicum, paneer, mushroom, golden corn, jalapeno, red pepper and baby corn for nutritional boost. Choice of breads makes a big difference over here. Garlic bread over the stuffed bread, multigrain over the whole wheat bread over the refined breads. Even we can go for thin crust pizza. Remember, it always helps in reducing the carbs. Well, next is the choice of spread. Use mustard and vinegar for spreads instead of oil, cheesy and mayonnaise. Pizza Hut offers us with multiple options. Veggie Delight, Veggie Supreme, Chicken Tikka, Farmer's Pick. Make sure we can take 2 pieces at a time. If we go overboard more than that, then definitely the spike will be drastic. We can have paneer cubes before that so that we don't get such a drastic spike later on. Make sure you order the pan pizza instead of the big pizza for the guilt-free eating. Now when we talk about the pizza, another famous joint is Dominos. Again, when it comes to choose bread, go with the wheat thin crust, pan-sized pizza, which is better choice compared to the refined flour. Top it with mushroom, onion, capsicum, all the vegetables what are available and ask them to give the extra servings. Take it in good quantity as the side dish to fill your plate and tummy as well. Remember, fibers first so that it can act as a grooming agent side by side. Let it clean your gut and keep you healthy. Well, Domino's gives us best preferences like roasted chicken wings, peri-peri, burger pizza, classic veg or chicken without or with cheese in a little quantity. Non-veg supreme, chicken fiesta, choose anyone, have it in moderation by chewing it well. If you feel like eating more, have half and pack the rest to eat it later on. Small portion well divided into 2 meals can be of great help without giving any spike. When it comes to eating out, one of my favorite salad joint is Taco Bell. Well, it offers many healthy recipes. Tortilla choices, corn tortilla are better choice as it's not completely refined flour. You can go with soft taco as they are not fried. Avoid crunchy and ultimate as they are fried one loaded with lot of calories. Best preferences are burrito roll filled with rice and proteins. Opt for grilled one, Gordala Mexican paneer, grilled halves, wheat base, which is again a good choice. Naked burrito balls are filled with basmati rice and paneer filling, which makes a complete balanced meal. You can also try Gordila grilled with vegetables and paneer filling. Veg star wrap, grilled veg is also another good choice. I even prefer taking the quesadilla veg or non-veg. They are also another healthier choice to be made or explored. Well, if you're thinking of beverages, iced tea without sugar or Diet Pepsi, you can go for it. But make sure your visits to outside meal or restaurants is limited. Preferably go for occasional cheat meals. Chew and enjoy your small meal portions. Always start with the salads. Daytime cheating can create less impact compared to the late night dinners as we are more active during the day. Gulp a glass of water before the meals to control your portion size. Eat sometimes before stepping out of the house so that we don't go overboard with the meals. Don't miss post-dinner walk. Due to high sodium content, these foods dehydrate our cells, so stay hydrated and flush extra glucose to regulate the spike. Always remember, good food is a wise medicine. Make sure you eat a balanced diet so that you can enjoy treats in moderation. I hope this playbook provides you with healthier cheat options and you can enjoy your meal without any guilt. Stay tuned to Sugarfit. This is your health coach Neha Kapoor. Take care.